Kids Interactive Theater presents Kids Virtual Experiences. History, music, dance, humor. With shows ranging from ancient Egypt to women's rights. My shows are essentially one-act plays that weave historical events into fun, engaging stories. They're chock full of facts and information, and because they're virtual, I can add all kinds of images, music, graphics, and text to enhance learning even more. There are programs for younger students. When suddenly Cinderella appeared to me. Why, look, everyone, it's Cinderella now! And older students.
And suddenly, while I'm traveling, I'm here in Spain, and watching the horse-drawn fire trucks galloping by. Oh my word, my building is on fire. Oh no!
So, when the seventh step of the Nilometer is covered, as I've mentioned, our new pharaoh will appear. And then there's the food. Oh, even if you were on dry land, you couldn't keep it down. But once you add the rockin' of the boat, oh. Plus, there's my signature period dance in every production where viewers are invited to join in. Then we're going to put toes in front like this. Toes, 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 toes. You try it.
Good, and off circle. Yeah! Reaching up for the stars, we reach. Good, other way. Oh, current, and down. Other way.
And the best part is, they're interactive. Anyone who wants to can play along from wherever they're watching.
Oh, but Jack, we'll need a helper, will we not?
We will.
We will. Everyone, it is time now to pick up your pillowcases, set them right under your chin, just like that.
Prop lists are available so students can play along with the show. They're made from items found around the home. And to make it even more exciting for the students, I can put their teachers in the movie. I would send the teachers a brief action list and a little demonstration video they can use for guidance. They do those actions and capture them on their cell phones, text them to me, and I edit them right into the movie. Next, you simply cry out, "The British and the colonists!" And we all know who won that war. Was it the French and the Native Americans or the British and the colonists? Go ahead, shout it out.
The British and the colonists!
That's it! I heard it. Good job. The British and the...
Recording clips for Kids Interactive Theater is super easy and a lot of fun, and the kids love seeing their teachers up on the big screen.
And the great part about these being pre-recorded is you have access to them for as long as you need. So if your schedule changes, and goodness knows in this environment, things are changing all the time, you can watch it whenever it works for you. It's so flexible. And a great option would be, after they view the presentation, they do a live follow-up virtual Q&A meet with the character herself. I am not a character, I am the queen. And I recognize you now. Your father brought me these beads. I'm going to reward him handsomely. So in a live Q&A session, I talk to the students as though they're in my realm, in my world. And I had teachers after a Zoom meeting with 5th graders tell me the 5th graders asked them if I was a real Egyptian queen. It's all in their imagination. Let Kids Interactive Theater spark the imagination in your students today.